Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Toga 530S. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Toga 530S only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're likely dealing with a faulty charging port. This issue can occur due to wear and tear over time or damage to the port itself. If left unfixed, it could lead to more serious problems, including complete failure to charge, which can ultimately affect your device's performance and lifespan. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement charging port specifically for the Lenovo Toga 530S. To start, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the Lenovo Toga 530S. Be careful around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the charging port. It's typically situated near the base of the device, connected to the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the faulty charging port, unscrew any screws holding it in place with your Phillips screwdriver. Be mindful of the force you apply to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the cable connecting the charging port to the motherboard. Take your new charging port and connect it in the same manner as the old one, ensuring it is securely attached. Replace the screws to hold it in place, but don't over-tighten them. Before closing the device, it's a good idea to test if the new port is functioning properly. Plug in your charger and check if the device begins to charge without needing to hold the cable at an angle. If everything works as it should, you can now carefully place the back cover back onto the device, making sure all clips snap into place. Finally, power on your Lenovo Toga 530S to ensure it's fully operational. To prevent this issue from occurring again, be cautious when plugging and unplugging your charger. Avoid yanking the cable and try to use the original charger when possible, as third-party chargers may not fit properly and can cause damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.